In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google One Storage Manager to free up space in your Google account. Whether you're constantly running into storage limits or you just want a fresh start, I'll walk you through straightforward steps to help you free up some much-needed space. First, we'll start by accessing the Google One Storage Manager. To do this, simply go to one.google.com/storage/management. Once you're there, you'll be presented with a comprehensive breakdown showing how much storage you're using across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. This page will serve as your command center for managing storage across Google services. Now, let's talk about the cleanup suggestions you'll find there. These handy suggestions target large files that might be taking up unnecessary space. You might notice categories such as large files in Drive, emails in Gmail with big attachments, and large photos and videos in Photos. Focusing on these areas can yield significant space savings. Starting with Google Drive, you'll want to navigate to Drive on the web. Over on the left menu, click on Storage. Here, files are conveniently sorted by size, from largest to smallest, making it easy to pinpoint those space-hogging files. Select files you no longer need and move them to the trash. But remember, just moving files to the trash doesn't free up space. You need to empty the Drive trash to actually see the space become available. Next, let's tackle Gmail. One effective method is to use search filters to zero in on emails with large attachments. For instance, you can use search terms like "has attachment larger 10M" to find those weighty emails. After sorting through them, go ahead and delete or archive the emails that aren't critical to keep. As for Google Photos, locate any large high-resolution videos or images that might not be necessary. You may also find unsupported videos or backups that are now redundant. Clearing these out can give you that extra breathing room you need. After you've done all this tidying up, there's an important note to keep in mind. Once you've deleted files, it might take a little time before you actually see the changes reflected in your storage quota. Google mentions it could take up to 24 to 48 hours for the newly freed up space to show up. And there you have it. By accessing the Google One Storage Manager and following these steps, you not only reclaim space but also ensure that your account is running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.